You're actually very beautiful tonight.
Thank you.
Would you like to greet your supporters?
I am so grateful to all of my supporters in the audience, especially to my family, my man, to my friends, and to all Parangos people who came here tonight.
So I believe that help you to ease your nervousness. Alright, candidate number 1, ready to answer the question?
Yes.
Alright. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, manghamyuk me, Barangay San Carlos. Especially that I think most of our candidates are first-timers. Therefore, napagida sila kakulba, no? And then nagbigay tao. So again, please refrain from making unnecessary noise that would disturb our candidates. Please, let our candidates contemplate to their answers. Alright?
Yes.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the preliminary question and answer round is actually a hashtag. So our candidates will be picking hashtags wherein that certain hashtag our candidate will try to elaborate, explain, or give a meaning. May I ask for the hashtag? Alright, there you are. Alright, hi ma'am. Now, entrance ma'am mo. Ito, diba naman na? Pero di na lang kay formal tayo ma'am attire. Alright. Candidate number 1. You picked hashtag barangay government.
I support barangay governance. I support barangay government through proper training and access to resources because I believe that true governance is start with a little with a small unity. And I believe that small governance when we thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Of course, I'd like to reiterate, no, supporting barangay government. Alright, let us all welcome candidate number 2. Hello. Kumusta? Action speaks louder than words. Kumusta?
Okay ra.
Nasa ka? Yan magklaro ka ba? Ready for the question? Hello. Guwapa kay kakaroon. Ready for the question?
Yes.
Alright. Sige, sa ulit pa man.
Sorry.
Would you like to greet your supporters?
Thank you sa nag-support sa kuha. Taglag sa akong mga ate o kuya. Thank you. Thank you sa tayo.
Ang gaya sa gila. Okay na ka? Layo para ba ang kumbit mo? Layo pa, patanahan. Kapalit mo. Kindly pick one. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 2 pick hashtag leadership.
Leadership is about serving. Leadership is about serving others.
said earlier, please refrain from making unnecessary noise. Our candidates are really trying their best. Dili ko yung iglalim, not sa stage. So please, show respect to our candidates by not shouting while they are answering. Thank you so much. Now let us all welcome candidate number 3. Kumusta? Okay ra? You're enjoying the competition?
Kind of.
Wow. And I like her skin. Skin raman. Kaayo yun. Ready to answer the question? Ay, murag. Tubag ako.
Yes. But actually, I feel nervous right now, but I think
Anong ipang nervyos mo tanan na kung sa dihay mo? Would you like to greet your parents?
of course. I am grateful for my supporters, especially my parents, my friends, and my acquaintances. I am so happy that you came here, even though gabi na June, but it's my pleasure. Thank you.
Ano, gusto ka ng hayag ba ang kompetisyon? Dili na tiuy. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Alright. Kindly pick one question. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 3, pick hashtag disaster preparedness.
Hashtag disaster preparedness isn't about fearing the worst, but being prepared every natural disaster may give us the chance to be survived for that natural disaster, or that's all.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Alright, candidate number 4. Ganahan ko ni iwa pagitawag ni Duwal na. Kinsa ning anak. Hello? Kumusta, candidate number 4?
Okay.
Okay ra ka? Sure ba?
Ah, di jujur.
Hindi naman daw okay ra, pero ano yung mata? You ready for the question? Okay ra. Ready na ka? But before that, can we greet your supporters?
Hello sa taga Purok City, and to my family, my friends, salamat sa pag-support. Thank you.
Mura siya gikilig sa iyahang pag-greetings. Mura ka na sa radyo sa ini-ini. Hi, BG John. Pag-greet naman siya. Candidate number 4. Okay, ready to answer the question? Wala, imong tubag ba? Tagapahutan na. Ready? Alright. Click mo. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 4, pick hashtag sports.
Sports build character, discipline, and unity. It teaches us how to win with pride and loss with grace. And that's a powerful metaphor for life. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. supporters. Hello, candidate number 5. Kumusta? Kuyawan ka? Si number 6 na lang sa. Pwede naman sa. Wala ka na sa si 6. Ay, kulbaan pa si 5. Are you okay? Pagtarong ba? Kap. Sinatay kapin. Are you okay? Tumaga po ba? Are you okay?
Yes.
Would you like to greet your supporters? Kanina rin nag-second time you.
Our Tropico family, hello!
Naglibog ko, nag-cheer ba gina sila or nilahag kang gikuan? Ang tarong mo ha? Nag-cheer ba? Okay. Candidate number 5, ready? Kasi nasa mong likod. Sina kay gudi-gudi ha, bawal ha? Anak! Diba? Okay. Kindly pick your hashtag. Okay. Change. What do you call that one? The one who handles the mahiwagang kristal? Darna? Alright. Mami Jo ang ball. The reason. Since 2019 na ako din eh. Okay. Candidate number 5. You pick very relevant hashtag. Hashtag mental health.
Good evening. Mental health is a serious illness. I too experience moments of anxiety and self-doubt, but with support from loved ones, I learned to speak. I learned to speak. I learned to speak that it's okay to not be okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. It's okay not to be okay. Let us all welcome candidate number 6. Hello. I just had to get last name. Okay. Taas yung mga magpapa. Yutod sa simod ng mga magpapa ha? Saan mga magpapa? Taas ang mga magpapa, ano siya? You know, I like her. Panay kami na yung mga bangas. Lalaki mga...
Nanagid na basta mga gwapa.
Ito ba?
Sana all.
Pero di ka mo ang kuno nga lalaki ta sa una. Hindi yun. Sige. Candidate number 6, ikaw so far, you're one of the tallest candidates, am I right? Pila mong height?
5'6".
Pahawa ang mga BFF. You know what's BFF? Below
5 feet.
5 feet. Alright, ready to answer your question?
Ready na lang kaya walang may lain.
Labi ko di pagka-training ka. Alright. Sa candidate number... Okay na ha, inhale, exhale sa... Ginawa sa... Tsada imong aritis, pwede i-bracelet. Ready? Okay, kindly pick one. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 6, pick hashtag illegal drugs.
Good evening. I believe that illegal drug can destroy our dream and lives. Saying no to drug is saying yes to a better future. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Say no to drugs. Hello, candidate number 7. Kumusta? Okay na? Anong ba tatawaha na? Okay na taga? Kaya pa?
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa. Okay. Would you like to greet your supporters?
Hello, Porokre! Thank you sa inyong pag-support, especially to my mama and my tita and my lover.
Ulit ang malay lover. Ayaw. Pwede si John. Ayaw ulit. Re-judge ka. Proud kayo siya sa iyang lover. Asa man ni si lover, babe.
Sana all.
Iswila sa iswila. Nangasaba. Okay. I hope nakatabang yung pag-shoutout sa imong lover, ha? Gigubaan magsamot. Ready? Alright. She's going to pick her hashtag. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 7, pick. Alright, very interesting. Hashtag poverty.
Poverty.
is the stage, so please, let's show respect to our candidates. Thank you. Hi. I bet you're very much excited to answer the question. Kamusta? Dito magtapat kayo, wala kayo mo sungkol. Ano ra? Kamusta?
Actually, I felt so nervous, but I find ways to conquer my stage fright.
And that is your hashtag. Okay. Would you like to greet your supporters?
To my fellow supporters, thank you for unending support since day one. Thank you.
Wow. Kung saan na nga day ka ron? Joke lang. Alright, she's very much ready to pick the hashtag. Ladies and gentlemen, she picked hashtag depression.
For me, depression is real and it does not define person worth. I stand for support who are. I stand for support. Depression is real and it does not define person worth. I stand for love. Depression is real and it does not define person worth. I believe and it's not define person worth.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. You know what? Ilang yun na ako kaya nagdungan ilang nagkulba o kuan. Ilahang kakapoy. No? Ako bigyan magindog na ka-heels. Alright, hello! The last but definitely not the least. I love her beauty. No? Very you. Hello. How are you feeling tonight?
I feel so nervous, but still, when I have a seat with supporters, I feel so okay tonight. Thank you.
So with that, kindly greet your supporters.
Hello to my supporters, especially the Brook size. Good evening to all of you, especially my family, my friends. Good evening, everyone.
Alright. Very much ready to answer the question?
Yes.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, ship it. Hashtag 2025 election.
Good evening, everyone. My chosen hashtag is 2025 election. The upcoming 2025 election is more than just casting votes.